Hey guys, just wanted to give you a little quick video on some meatballs I did today. And these are a Alton Brown variation. And I have them set at a third of a pound. I'll tell you, I got them here. And I'm going to bake these off. If you look at the size, they're like a little small than a baseball. But you know, people love these. These are all beef. Okay, I have some spinach in there. These are a single meat. I found that a single meat satisfies more people than a triple meat. Okay, a couple of eggs for a 5 pound batch, and I have some fresh garlic, salt and pepper. Okay, I have a little bit of tomato, some seasoned crumbs. Also, I crumb the meatball itself, and again, fresh garlic. That's key. Okay, and just a few eggs and simple. I do a little bit of seasoned breadcrumb in my mix, and I add a little bit of milk to that mix, not too much, because you don't want to make them too wet. And I'm going to generate a light saute on these, and then I'm going to put them in the oven and finish them off slowly at about 325 because they're thick. And you want to get an internal temperature of at least 170 degrees, okay? But anyhow, I'm going to, and then I put them, after I finish them up, I put them in the sauce. Look at this. Beautiful. I'm going to put, I asked the customer if they like a little bit of Parmesan. I'm going to put a little Parmesan on here. I'm going to get a little more sauce. Beautiful sauce. Look at this. Look at that. A little Parmesan. Right? Do a little fresh cracked pepper. And that's good to go. And let's give this a try. Wow, the nice browning, the sauce, the Parmesan. You know. Beautiful. They're addictive. You end up eating too many, hurting yourself. All right, guys? So, to meatballs. Thank you, guys. Enjoy.